Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to do about regression analysis. This one for statistics. Now, the first thing we need to select about the data in here. So we go to data analysis. If you cannot have this one, we need to go to the file in here. Go to options. Now you need to select about ins and we need to know that we need to add about the data analysis from here. So that should be about this one. So you click OK. And after you got this one, we can go to data analysis. So we go to regression in here. Now, in this one, I just put like this. It is about input Y range and SY range. That is about this one. I just put in here. So next, you need to click about labels. Output range. We can select about this one, or maybe we can select about new worksheet, or maybe about the new workbook. This is depends on each person. So I will select this one in here and I will select about OK, and they will show you about the table to answer the question. And this is about the step by step. This is the end. Thank you for watching.